Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time here, where have you been? I'm judging you right now. Shout out to my regulars. Keep liking, commenting, and sharing. I love you all. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a minute. Get busy about it. Get busy in pillow. And my little washing. Isimo sibi nase ke nna go balance how much buy a lot. Okay, that's what we have today. Yo, that's in a little. Okay, that was for 6 rand. That's what I remember. Ooh, it's in a jam. Then the jam bell mixed the fruit. I think it was 42 rand or something. And this was 20 rand, 19 rand. I want to try garlic butter flavored dried mashed potatoes. I can't wait. Ooh, I'm going Shanghai. Megan Nicole. Now I'm call. And then I bought my champ marshmallows. I think it was like 21 rand. And then this was on special. It's 1,3 by 2. I think it was like 100 or something. It was on special. I forgot how much it was. And even this one was on special. For some odd reason, ngithanda loshuni. Twist lemon flavored. That is becoming my favorite. Nalo. That is becoming my favorite. Angazi kanjani? And loshuni. Ngifuna ukwenza umngqusho ohlangene ne-peanut butter. Hey, ama-recipe ngibacabanga sometimes. But I'm sure manikhula ngike nokudla ngempela. Oh. It's 5 kg kashukela. 5 kgs. Hey, ngathi 5 kgs man. Hayibo. Yeah, manje ngathi nginomcimbi. Hayibo, ngihlola ngizobheka lapha hakuthi. Ngempela. Ngithanda kakhulu. Obese iphutha. Ngingathenga nobisi. Hayibo. Imihlola u5 kg wonke. Ho. Phela kusho ukuthi ngivela iplasi. Umsebenzi. Engibhizi ngawo. Because it's not mine, it is mine. But u5 kgs for kuze ngithengela until next year. Uzothi lo sekushukela. Hayi, uzotapa. Because mina nosile ngizolanga. Ngizolungisela. Awu. Nangokomunye ushuni lo ngakhumbula ukuthi hand wash 3 kgs. Ngithenga ama-hand wash awu-2 ngazi la. Kodwa 5 kg wild. Okay, ngathenga ngedomestos. I think ngisasebenzisele ne-1. And then ngathenga ne-toothpaste. Ngathenga ngaloshuni. Suchitheka yabo ngizoba rate 1 ngadla. Oh, ngoba mnandi le. If ungangapluga please uzokusiza lokho. It's 5 oils and skin conditions. All skin conditions. They accommodate you now. They are accommodating you. Yabona ukuthi ichithekile ngempela. Bangimoshile. Okay, but yeah, it's fine. Nalokho seseli no 54 rand goyithenga. And then ukuthi banehaba. So lokho uyi-3 for something rands. And then nalawo shuni okune special for 3, 28 rand for 3, I think. So ngithenge 6. Lawo shuni. That's why I ran out of these. Because I always think that I still have a lot. and then ekugcineni ngithola ukuthi upsi I ran out because ngivele ngiyathatha and ngathenga ngalo shumi u-white star bengingigcine u-89 years hawu kusho ngathatha isikhathi eside yagcina isingasekho kuphi ku-special mase ngithi ngiyabheka i-invoice isibuyele kunoma price u-114 ngasho ukuthi bengiyaphi moya engcwele bengiyaphi because benqina ukuthi ngithi i-5 kgs that I normally buy so izoyisebenzisa for how many months 3 to 4 months u-10 kgs because futhi anginawo yabona ngathi nginomcimbi khona la engiyopheka khona anginawo umcimbi lakwethu kodwa I just like ukuthenga in-bulk bese ngikhokha ngakho kodwa lo shuni kumele ngiyowucheck-a kabusha ukuthi ngibheke phone I hope it will show on this phone. Ungikhoshana ne-password ke sana. This is my promise of love that I'm using. Ikhona vele la e-Gmail. Kunento ezi-useless. Ayikho i-Gmail ke lana mntakwethu. Ngibheke la phone. Cute, come on, cute. Shame things. But I don't show me 5 kgs and I understand. I understand show me ngithola ngani 5 kgs angathi ngikhe. Bye. Yikho lokho ngikuthengeni. It's not really a lot. I was just topping up from the things that were not here in the house. So this is it. This is it. Yikho lokhu akusiyo into eyiningi nje into nje eyimanejekayo la endlini ade yishoda okunye futhi they cancelled my other stuff that I normally buy the Sprint ton they said they are out of stock and juices yeah ngivele ngacikeka ngasho ukuthi game nesidina kabi but shout out to you.